goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips. It's an awesome move if you're trying to improve hip external rotation and flexion. Here's what you're going to do. You want to get a box. You're going to put one foot on the box with the knee soft. You want the opposite foot in front of you. This front knee is going to be more bent than the back knee. You want to unlock the knees. Both arms are going to go forward. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to inhale. As you inhale, you're going to reach and squat down like so. Exhale, come up. Not locking out the knees. Switch to the other side. You're going to alternate like so. If you watch this from the side, you'll notice that's kind of the trunk angle that I'm going for as I alternate. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.